Hello and welcome everyone. My name's Frank, musician photographer here in the Midwest, and today we have the Ricoh GXR and we're going to do a quick unboxing. So I know you already seen my video on this little camera and I share some photos, some street photos from you, and yeah, we're going to change out the module and I'm going to do a quick unboxing. So let's get to it right now. It's a GXR A12 mount to be able to mount Voigtlander lens M Mount, which I already have one, so here it is. So let me show you exactly what that looks like and how it goes on the camera. So let's take this out. So I'm excited to finally get my hands on this. So this is a Leica M Mount module. Let's see what we got here. The usual paperwork. Let's put that to the side. And we have a little carrying pouch, which is nice. What else do we have? Okay, so this is for putting your lenses to see if it fits in with the camera. If you have a Leica M Mount, you can use this here to check to see if your lens fits. So it's nice that they provided that. So that's what it looks like. So you put your lens in here to see if it fits the mount. I already know that the lens I have fits, so I don't have a use for it, but if you do have a lens and you're unsure if it fits, you can use this for it. All right, let's keep going. Let's get to the good part here. Here is the module. All right, and then after the video I'm going to have some examples using this. So the module, APS-C mount, and let's take a look. So there it is. Wow, pretty cool. This is brand new, guys, so I'm excited for it. Let's take this off, see what it looks like. All right, so you see it's close not right now, but the sensor is in there. It's an APS-C sensor. Yeah, very awesome. I'm excited to start using it. All right, so how would you mount it to the camera? So let's get into that. So you want to remove this plastic part, and that's where the connection it's made. So let's put that to the side. Then I'll show you exactly how to connect your lens. So here is the Ricoh GXR, and you're gonna see this button here. Just gonna push that in and take out this mount. Right, let's put it to the side, and then you want to mount your 8 to 12. It goes in just like that, and there it is. Now it's on the camera, right? And then now you can mount your Voigtlander lens. So now the one I have here, which you've already seen before in some of my photographs, it's the Voigtlander knocked in. So there it is, guys. I have a separate adapter on it at the moment, but we're going to change that out. So this is the Voigtlander lens for Leica cameras. Very nice sharp lens, 40mm at 1.4, right? And I have used it with my Sony NEX camera, and you know what, it makes amazing images. But for this demonstration, we're going to take this off. We're going to take off the adapter. And by the way, this adapter is by PhotoDiox, which works amazingly. Highly recommend it. But you don't need an adapter for this. The module takes the lens perfectly, so it'll work perfectly with it. All right, so there it is. And how would you put it in? Just match that red dot to the module, and there you go. And now you're ready to start making some images. Take off the lens, so you can see it's still very small profile. And on the Leica, everything is manual, so your focusing is manual. You do it like this, and then your aperture, it's also manual. So you do your aperture like so. So that's at 1.4. So I'm excited. So there it is, guys. All right, so let's turn it on. See what that looks like when we turn it on. So it is recognized, and as you can see, it's much closer now. Let me focus in on this. And I have these this diagrams put into the LCD just so that I can make a better photograph. So there it is. As you can see, it's a lot closer than the 10 by 28. So there you go. That's it. All right, so let's get into some of those images right now, and you're gonna see exactly what I capture with this. All right, guys, thanks for checking this out. Let me know what you think. I'll see you very soon. We'll do more videos on this combination coming up.